Some quick tips to clean your washing machine. First, see, press it and open it. See, there are lots of dust here, so we need to clean it first. Okay. Just press it and open. See, if you clean regularly, then there will not enough dust here. Okay, you can clean it using a old brush. Using an old brush, okay, just like this. This is a filter. Okay. See, the side is clean and this is full of dust. Okay, we are cleaning it. Okay, now clean the back side. Okay. I think we are done here. We need to wash it. Okay, see, after cleaning it, this is now ready to put it back. Okay, you can clean it using a cloth. See, there is some dust here, or you can use a tissue paper also to clean it, or a wet cloth. See, lots of wet dust from cloth. Okay, I have cleaned it properly, I think. Now I am putting it back. Just press it. See, this is how you can do some quick maintenance. And there is a water in pipe. Here you will see a filter. I am showing you. Okay, I am opening it to show you how to clean it. Okay, first stop the water in line, then open this filter and clean it with a brush. We have cleaned it with a brush. See, now it is okay. We are putting it back. Okay. Yes, lots of dust in the bag. Okay, it's done. Now I am going to reopen the water line. Okay, that's it. This is how you can do some quick maintenance in a regular basis after 15 days or 30 days. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.